Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets traded lower as investors passed commentary from the Federal Reserve that provided new insight into the US Central Bank's fight against inflation. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, traded near the $67,500 crucial mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.8% at 84,870 points. Interestingly, policymakers' move to leave interest rates unchanged for an 11th consecutive month was a foregone conclusion based on movements in Fed futures markets. Well, at its most restrictive position in over 20 years, the Fed kept its benchmark borrowing rate at a range between 5.25% and 5.50%. While cryptocurrency prices had risen earlier in the day on news that inflation had slowed to 3.3% in the 12 months through May. The report indicated that consumer prices for American goods and services rose slightly less last month than economists had expected. In an unprecedented move that has sent shockwaves through both the political and financial landscapes, former President Donald Trump announced his full support for American Bitcoin miners, leading to an astounding 10% surge in Bitcoin mining stocks overnight. Furthermore, the Fed has maintained in recent months that it will not cut rates until it has gained greater confidence that inflation is moving sustainably towards 2%. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell affirmed that stance on Wednesday and said, "So far this year, the data have not given us that greater confidence." However, recent indicators suggest that economic activity has continued to expand at a solid pace, Powell added in a statement. In recent months, there has been modest further progress toward the committee's 2% inflation objective. Well, the global crypto market cap was at $2.45 trillion mark, decreasing 1% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume decreased by 18% to $91 billion. In other news, Bitcoin futures interest reached an all-time high in US dollar terms on Monday, reaching over 500,000 BTC worth $36.3 billion. Now, analysts believe the surge in open interest is due to a clever arbitrage play between Bitcoin's future and spot markets. Meanwhile, Telegram's the open network blockchain has consistently outperformed Ethereum in terms of daily active addresses, according to Delphi Digital. The company attributed this achievement to Telegram's 900 million user base, referring to it as the flipping CT ignores. Separately, BitGet Crypto Exchange has launched the BitGet Wallet token or BWB, a Web3 multi-chain wallet resulting in a 23% increase in daily active users in the MENA region. BWB includes wallet swap, NFT market, dApp browser, and launchpad features. US stock futures rose following the Federal Reserve's latest interest rate decision and a May consumer inflation print that came in cooler than expected. Well, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.1% and 0.5% respectively. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell 0.3% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $67,360, down by 0.8%. Similarly, if we talk about Ethereum at the same time, the second largest crypto was down by 1.8%, trading at $3,482. Binance's BNB token was down by 2% to trade at $604. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 1.4% and was trading at $150. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $32, lower by 0.6%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.1% to trade at $0.62. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.8%. However, Cardano's ADA token was up by 1% to trade at $0.43. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.2% at $0.14. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.48, up by 1%, while Polkadot was up by 0.8% to trade at $6.5. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs, Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Bitcoin futures interest reached an all-time high in US dollar terms on Monday, reaching over 500,000 BTC worth $36.3 billion. Analysts believe the surge in open interest is due to a clever arbitrage play between Bitcoin's futures and spot markets. Leveraged funds are shorting Bitcoin on the central market exchange while buying up coins in equal measure via Bitcoin spot ETFs. This technique, known as the cash and carry trade, is utilized by traders when a large premium develops between a commodity's futures and spot prices. Bitcoin was trading at $68,400 while the December 2024 futures contract traded for $73,200. Users of the cash and carry strategy could effectively earn a 6.4% annualized yield, virtually devoid of risk. Since the start of the year, Bitcoin futures open interest has grown by 21% in Bitcoin terms and by 100% in USD terms. ProShares has submitted an updated S1 registration statement for the ProShares Spot Ethereum ETF detailing the roles of key participants. The Bank of New York Mellon will act as a transfer agent, administrator and cash custodian, while Coinbase Custody will hold Ethereum. Coinbase Incorporation will operate as the prime execution agency. Delaware Trust Company will act as the trustee, and ProShares Capital Management will be the fund sponsor. Coinbase Credit will function as the trade credit lender, allowing ProShares to borrow Ethereum and cash for transactions exceeding its trading balance. The document indicates flexibility in these roles, including an initial 2-year term for BNY Mellon's administrator position and provisions for annual renewals. ProShares reserves the right to add or terminate Ethereum custodians, cash custodians, and prime execution agents as needed, and Coinbase also retains the option to resign from its role as a cash customer. The SEC has approved the Form 19B for filings for 8 Ether ETFs, but the S1 registration statements, including that of ProShares Spot Ethereum ETF, still await approval. BitGet Crypto Exchange has launched the BitGet Wallet token, a Web3 multi-chain wallet, resulting in a 23% increase in daily active users in the MENA region. BWB includes wallet, swap, NFT market, dApp browser, and launchpad features. The token was sold between June 1st and June 6th and was listed on the BitGet spot market on the 6th. The BWB launchpad has been successful, with the token price surging from $0.15 to $0.6. The BitGet on-chain layer serves as a blueprint for future Web3 endeavors, positioning itself as both the on-chain extension and decentralized future of the BitGet ecosystem. BWB token holders can participate in decision-making processes and stake BWB tokens to earn rewards. In March 2023, BitGet invested $30 million into BitGet Wallet, which was previously known as BitKeep, securing a controlling stake and catalyzing a comprehensive brand upgrade. BitGet has adopted a dual token system consisting of CEX token and its BitGet Wallet token, allowing it to extend its foundational ecosystem on-chain and off-chain to develop a solid Web3 future.